Alright guys, so I'm doing the 255 wall barrel fuel pump on my 94 Acura Integra. Real simple. I'm gonna make this super fast. I wasn't even gonna vlog it, but I decided to. So you take your back seats out. There's a million videos to figure that out if you don't know. I'm not gonna go over it. So I just pulled the clip from the harness to the fuel pump. I got the battery disconnected. Took off this banjo with a washer. Make sure you keep that washer in there. Took all of these little 10s off. Use a plier, pull that back, and now she's ready to go. So we're gonna slide this to the side. I'll pull it just like this. And I also got me a nice rag because it will leak some fuel, so just be prepared for that, guys. Oh God, she isn't. There we go. You put your little catcher there, which is good because I have it, because mine doesn't. And this is the stock fuel pump. Back over just to make sure no debris gets into our fuel system. And you got that. Let's take this outside of the car so the car don't smell like damn fuel. So this is pretty much it. This is like a little catcher. Just pull that off, real simple. Can't do it with one hand. And then just disconnect the harness and it'll be plug and play. So you can see the small little pump. Here's the new pump. So that's it. We're going from whatever OEM is to a 255. So I think it's like 100 something per liters. Not 100%, but that's pretty much it. And then you just disconnect this, put the harness into that, you mount it up. There's like a little something that holds it in place in there. It's real simple. And you're just gonna take that catcher off, shove it back in, and do your thing. So now that we got that, let me just get it done. All right, guys, so she's running strong. Started right up, no problem. All right, guys, so it's the next day. I decided to show you guys something I got done. I went to True Value, shout out to Tyler Welsh. Got some new 10s. So remember how JJ gave me these ones? I decided, because I can't really afford Downstar, I want to spend that money, put some new ones, get rid of these old dirty ones. Got ones for the hood now, a little bracket holder, just a couple things. Those ones are pissing me off. I'm not done. I'm going to buy more. I'm also going to go get the motor mount bolts, and I got these all new, but I didn't get them for the other side. Like, I just retarded and didn't get them from the other side. So it ain't nothing. It's like $1, so I really don't care. So I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna get new motor mount bolts. I'm gonna eventually get some new motor mounts, but for now I'm just gonna get some new bolts. I'm just trying to do little touches to make it look a little bit more cleaner. Eventually the valve cover and stuff. So tell me what you guys think if you like it. And guess how much it cost me, guys? $6.95. Yes, $6.95. So that's why I went with this, because I do want to eventually put some Frank Downstar bolts in here. Shout out to Frank. But to be honest, it looks so rusty, it looks so bad, and I'm going to be popping my hood in front of people. I'll just go spend the $7 to $30 to replace everything just with a regular bolt, you know, mint again, and then work my way up to the Downstar. So I hope you guys like. Thought it looked pretty cool. I'm going to do everything all new, but just little details like that, you know. The defenders as well. I obviously didn't get any for that. Got that bolt, so she's looking a little shinier now. A little better. Shout out to JJ for letting me hold the impact, because this made it fun. So tomorrow I'll probably go buy more. I'm just gonna get all the bolts and everything done, change everything out. But yeah, guys, so I hope you like this video. The car is running great with the 255 fuel pump, and I managed to get some new strut tower and camber bolts for the top of the staircases, also a bunch of 10 millimeters around the chassis for the fenders, the hood, some of the firewall, throttle body cable, just a couple things, but there's more to come. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.